My dogs are Lala, Marjorie, and Puppies, and we're now preschool. Yung thank you for ordering. Lala, Lala ordering. Let's get new service. And this, need ko lang siya. It says Merry Christmas and do some please. Just put it there. Happy New Year and fireworks. Just put it. It's beanie. Can you see it? Beanie flap. Is it beanie color? Yeah, it is beanie. This says beanie. Another one says beanie. Just gamitin ko lang siya kay Pinunta natin kung ano. Oh, it's similar. It's dirty. And this is Melody, dirty to pause. This blue thing is a clip. Oh, I dropped it. I always drop something if I go to vlog. Can you check on the mosquitoes? Yeah, it's a packaging. That's shimmery shiny things. This is Haya. This is Joanna. Malloy. Gwen. Kaya sila ng style. Sheena. I said this earlier. This is Colette. Beanie Mika, the most prettiest of them all. And Stacy. Let's put it down. Just put it down. I always vlog something, so I love school. The other freebies. I dropped something, I hate it. There we go. Let's draw something. So bad. Let's draw myself. Okay, transition. The drawing is me. Oh, bro, wait.